In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the all-new Chinese Gem Pack 2. This thing is loaded with evolutions, and we're looking for some big cards in a little box. Let's go. Welcome back to today's video. I'm unbelievably excited you are here. Look, we are unboxing our first ever Gem Pack 2 Chinese Pokemon. We got these off eBay. Hopefully it works out for us. We've had some sketchy eBay deals as of late, so let's just jump in. Let's rip some cards and let's get some hits. But before we do, smash your subscribe button. Keep your noties on Pokemon content every single week, 3-4 times. It's really up to you. Let's rip. All right, here is this unbelievably beautiful Sylveon box. Let's go ahead. Get this open. These are all evolutions, but most importantly, we're looking for the Umbreon, Sylveon, Leafeon, and Eevee art rares, which are all connecting cards. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Now, we've got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 packs in here. I believe there's only a handful of cards in here, but we're looking for stamped promos. We're looking for a lot of awesome stuff in here. But like you said, you're going to see a lot of these Master Balls, these star cards, Master Ball Leafeon. Set that right there. Of course, you're looking for stamped cards as well. Let's see what we can do here. Beautiful Espeon. And I believe you get a couple guaranteed hits per box. Oh, Jolteon. There's the stamped promo, or the stamped card right there. So many packs to go. We need to pull an absolute banger of a card. I love these textures. Nice Sylveon into the Eevee Master Ball. Put all our Master Ball hits off to the side for right now. Alright. Flareon, Eevee, Leafeon into the Master Ball Espeon. I don't know about you guys. What do you guys think of these cards? Let me know down in the comments below. Jolteon. Sylveon. Ooh, into the Glaceon stamp. Now, I know that the energy cards, there's energy cards in here that are also stamped that are also pretty high dollar value as well. There's an Umbreon with all these stars. And there's one of our hits, Sexy Glaceon. If you've been on this channel before, you're familiar with that card. You're very familiar with that card. Not the Chinese version, but the English version. If you know, you know. All right, here we go. Eevee, Vaporeon. Oh, Espeon V Max. There's another hit there. Okay, I think we may have hit our max hits for the box. Ooh, into an Umbreon V. Not exactly how the hits in the box work. I've seen a few openings, but never be too sure, you know? Master Ball Jolteon again. Okay. I'd like to see a nice stamped promo, especially of the Umbreon. That'd be a nice hit for us. Another Espeon V. Flareon, Eevee, Glaceon, Umbreon Master Ball, SP, Jolty, Super Jolty, Flareon, sorry, Vaporeon, idiot. Umbreon, Leafeon, Master Ball Sylveon. 2 packs left. This is the most adorable set I've ever opened. Beautiful Espeon. Into the stamped Sylveon. Last pack magic. Here we go. Maybe there's something left. Maybe we get a double banger box here. See what we can do here. Eevee, Umbreon Stars, and another Sylveon Master Ball. Thank you for watching today's video, our first unboxing of Chinese Pokemon. Do you think we should do more boxes before these things take off to the sky? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget, every single Friday we've got rip and ships in our store. Check the description below. Lowest prices you're going to find every single Friday. And as always, see you in that next video.